of dreams. In the heart of the enchanted valley, surrounded by rolling hills covered in lush, emerald green, stood the Kingdom of Glimmer. The kingdom was unlike any other, filled with wonder and magic that made it sparkle like 1,000 diamonds under the sunlight. The people of Glimmer were joyous, their days filled with laughter and music that echoed through the valley. But what made this kingdom truly special was its ruler, the kind and beautiful Little Barbie Princess. Princess Barbie, affectionately known as the Little Barbie Princess, was loved by all in the kingdom. With her flowing golden hair, bright blue eyes, and a smile that could warm the coldest heart, she was a beacon of hope and happiness. Her heart was as pure as the crystal-clear rivers that flowed through Glimmer, and she was always ready to help anyone in need. But there was something even more magical about the Little Barbie Princess. She had the power to bring light wherever she went. This wasn't just any ordinary light, it was a sparkling light that danced like stars, illuminating the darkest corners of the kingdom. The source of this light was a mystery, known only to the princess herself and the ancient royal advisors. Chapter 2: The Secret of the Sparkling Light. The secret of the sparkling light lay deep within the royal palace, in a hidden room only accessible by the princess. This room, called the Chamber of Stars, was where the ancient Orb of Glimmer rested. The orb was an ancient relic, gifted to the kingdom by the guardian of the stars long ago. It had the power to create the sparkling light that brought joy and prosperity to Glimmer. Every morning, before the first rays of the sun kissed the kingdom, Princess Barbie would visit the Chamber of Stars. She would gently place her hands on the orb, and as she did, the orb would begin to glow, filling the room with a warm, golden light. The light would then spread across the kingdom, touching every flower, tree, and home, bringing with it a sense of peace and happiness. But there was a catch. The light would only shine as long as the princess's heart remained pure. Should she ever lose her kindness, courage, or hope, the light would fade, leaving the kingdom in darkness. Chapter 3: A Shadow over Glimmer. One day, a dark cloud began to form over the Kingdom of Glimmer. It was subtle at first, a whisper of wind, a shadow that flickered across the sky. But as the days passed, the cloud grew darker and larger, blocking out the sun and dimming the sparkling light that filled the kingdom. The people of Glimmer grew worried. The once bright and cheerful kingdom was now covered in an eerie gloom. The flowers began to wilt, and the rivers seemed to lose their sparkle. The joy that once filled the air was replaced by a heavy silence. Princess Barbie could feel the change too. She knew something was wrong, but she didn't know what. Every morning, she would visit the Chamber of Stars, but the orb's light seemed dimmer, as if it was struggling to shine. The princess's heart ached as she saw her beloved kingdom in distress. Determined to find out what was causing the darkness, Princess Barbie called upon the royal advisors. They were wise and knowledgeable, having served the kingdom for generations. After much discussion, the oldest of the advisors spoke. "Your Highness," he said, his voice trembling with age, "I fear that the darkness is not just a cloud. It is the work of an ancient evil, one that has been lurking in the shadows for centuries, waiting for the right moment to strike." The princess's heart skipped a beat. "What do you mean?" she asked. The advisor continued, "Long ago, before the Kingdom of Glimmer was formed, there was a dark sorcerer known as Malakar. He was jealous of the beauty and light of this land and sought to plunge it into eternal darkness. But the guardian of the stars stopped him, sealing him away in a distant realm. It seems that Malakar has found a way to break free and is now seeking revenge." Chapter 4: The Journey to the Shadow Realm. Princess Barbie knew that she had to act quickly to save her kingdom. The royal advisors told her that the only way to stop Malakar was to journey to the Shadow Realm, where he was imprisoned, and find a way to seal him away once more. It was a dangerous mission, but the princess was brave and determined. Before she left, the royal advisors gave her a special gift, an Amulet of Light. The amulet was a small, glowing crystal that had the power to repel darkness. It was said to be created from the same stardust that formed the Orb of Glimmer. The princess placed the amulet around her neck, feeling its warmth and strength. As she stepped outside the palace, the people of Glimmer gathered to wish her luck. They were scared but hopeful, knowing that their princess was the only one who could save them. With a heavy heart but a determined spirit, Princess Barbie set off on her journey. Chapter 5: The Battle of Light and Darkness. Malakar's voice echoed through the cavern as he spoke. "So, the little princess has come to challenge me. How amusing." Princess Barbie stood tall, her heart pounding in her chest, but she didn't let fear take hold. "I have come to stop you, Malakar. You will not bring darkness to my kingdom." The dark sorcerer laughed, a sound that sent chills down the princess's spine. "You think you can stop me? The light of your kingdom is fading, princess. Soon, it will be extinguished, and darkness will reign." With those words, Malakar raised his hands, and the shadows in the cavern began to swirl and gather around him. The air grew colder, and the light from the amulet flickered as if struggling to stay lit. But Princess Barbie was not alone. She could feel the love and hope of her people, the strength of the light within her, and the warmth of the amulet around her neck. She knew she had to fight, not just for herself, but for everyone she loved. With a deep breath, the princess raised the amulet high above her head. The crystal began to glow brighter, filling the cavern with a warm, golden light. The shadows around Malika recoiled, hissing and retreating from the light. Malika smiled, his eyes narrowing as he saw the light growing stronger. "No! This cannot be," he shouted, his voice filled with anger and fear. But Princess Barbie didn't stop. She focused all her energy on the amulet, pouring her love, hope, and courage into it. The light grew even brighter, shining like 1,000 stars. It was so bright that it seemed to pierce through the darkness, driving it back. The shadows that had gathered around Malika began to dissolve, and the dark sorcerer himself seemed to weaken. His form flickered, becoming less solid, as if he was losing his grip on the world. With one final burst of energy, Princess Barbie unleashed the full power of the amulet. The light exploded outward, filling the entire cavern with a brilliant glow. Malika let out a final, desperate cry as the light consumed him, and then he was gone, vanquished by the power of the light. The cavern began to shake as the darkness retreated, and the walls started to crumble. Princess Barbie knew she had to leave before the entire place collapsed. She turned and ran, the amulet guiding her through the tunnels and back to the entrance. As she stepped out of the cave, she felt the warmth of the sun on her face. The dark cloud that had hung over the kingdom was gone, replaced by a clear, blue sky. The sparkling light had returned to glimmer, brighter and more beautiful than ever before. Chapter 6: The Return of the Light. Princess Barbie returned to the Kingdom of Glimmer as a hero. The people cheered and celebrated, their hearts filled with joy and gratitude. The flowers bloomed once more, the rivers sparkled like diamonds, and the music of the kingdom filled the air. The princess, though tired from her journey, was filled with happiness as she saw her kingdom restored. She knew that the light would continue to shine as long as she remained true to herself and her people. That evening, a grand celebration was held in the royal palace. The halls were decorated with flowers and lanterns, and the air was filled with the scent of sweet pastries and the sound of joyful music. The people of Glimmer danced and sang, their spirits lifted by the return of the light. During the celebration, the royal advisors approached Princess Barbie. "Your Highness," they said, bowing deeply, "you have saved the kingdom and vanquished the darkness. You are truly the light of Glimmer." The princess smiled, but she shook her head. "It was not just me," she said. "It was the love and hope of our people that gave me the strength to fight. The light of Glimmer belongs to all of us." The advisors nodded, their eyes filled with pride and respect. "You are wise beyond your years, Your Highness," they said. As the night wore on, the princess looked out over her kingdom. The sparkling lights filled the sky, twinkling like stars. She knew that the journey had changed her, made her stronger and more determined to protect her people. But she also knew that the true power of the light came from within, from the love, kindness, and hope that she carried in her heart. And as long as she kept that light alive, the Kingdom of Glimmer would continue to shine brightly for all to see. Chapter 7: A New Dawn. The days that followed were filled with joy and prosperity. The Kingdom of Glimmer flourished, its people more united and hopeful than ever before. The story of the Little Barbie Princess and her victory over Malaka became a legend, passed down from generation to generation. But Princess Barbie didn't rest on her laurels. She continued to care for her people, ensuring that the light of glimmer never dimmed again. She spent her days visiting the villages, helping those in need, and spreading kindness wherever she went. The Chamber of Stars remained a sacred place, where the princess would go each morning to ensure the orb of glimmer shone brightly. The Amulet of Light, now a cherished treasure, was kept close to her heart, a reminder of the strength she found within herself. As the years passed, the kingdom grew even more beautiful, its light reaching far beyond the enchanted valley. Travelers from distant lands came to see the sparkling lights of glimmer and to hear the tale of the brave little Barbie princess who saved her kingdom from darkness. And so, the Kingdom of Glimmer remained a place of wonder and magic, where light and love prevailed. The Little Barbie Princess, with her sparkling light, continued to be a symbol of hope and courage, inspiring all who heard her story. The end.